Welcome friends, I am Urmila Gurude and today we are going to learn a new activity related to coloring with dots. So we use today small dots, then more than small and very big dots also. So this activity is very simple and I know you enjoy it. So let's start the activity. Look friend, page number 22 and lesson number 4, coloring with dots. So here we have two monsters. And what is the activity? Read here. Color the characters by making big dots and small dots using oil pastels or crayons. So I have here crayons also and pastels also. So we use here crayons today. See, some samples are given already. Big dots here and small dots. So let's fill up all the figure with big dots and then we use small. Okay, see, purple color. So let's continue with purple. What that? Yes, here it is. This one, I think. Okay, we get it. So some minor change. So neglect it. Which color do you like? Continue with that. No problem. No issue. Okay, now see, big dots here. So we fill up this figure with drawing big dots. So the color is changed, I think. Wait, let's try this. So no change. I think I don't have in these colors. So let's watch here. If we get it, wax crayon. No problem, we try this. Okay. Yes, I get it. Similar to that color. Try to get always clear round in this way. Nice. It need a big pressure, I think. You can shop the colors so that we get a clear round. So this much sufficient. So fill up like that. Now look at this figure. Here small dots are there. Look friends, these are all big dots and these are all small ones. You can use different colors of your own choice. Now come to the next page. Here also dots. Dots in circular pattern. We have to give dots in a clearly circular pattern. So fill this image with dots from A up to this B using oil pastels or crayon. Here red color is given, but you can use your own choice color. And if you have red, then no problem. In this way. Very patiently do it. Don't think about the time. Like that, complete all the line up to B. Understand? So you complete this. So turn the page. Here, page number 24. Fill the image with dots from point A to point B in a circular pattern using different oil pastels and crayons. Again we have to go, starts from point A up to point B, here also and here also. So you know that what to do. Then also I show you some dots here. The same size dot. This way. Continue all the figure. Now here orange color. So move the pastel or crayon circularly. So you will get a proper round. Here again purple. Purple color is missing here. So use purple color and fill all this circle. Okay. Now come to the next page. 4C, dots in radiating pattern. Radiating, imitating. So make the sun rays by drawing dots using oil pastels or crayons, and it will be seen like that. This is what we will make. So use your colors here. So different colors you can use, or one same color orange you can use. I show you how to use. Do one thing. So mark very light lines like that over all whole surrounding portion. Fill up whole surrounding portion, or you can do like this in circular pattern. Look here, I show you like this, but we get here straight lines, so I continue that one pattern, this one. Understand? Shop your crayons. It is better for you to get small dots and round it. They are very close to each other. Remember, now the size is very, very small. The dots are also very close, like this. So mark the line and continue that line. Fill this activity also with colors. When you finished hold the picture, then it looks nice. Now turn page. Come to the next page, page number 26. This is what you will make. So complete the image by making dots in circular radiating pattern again. Now this pattern is also radiating but in straight lines, and here rounded lines now. So mark the lines first. This way, and then start drawing dots. These dots are very, very small and very close. See friends, here this picture shows us the dots are very close, and this 1 2 3 4 5 stars we get here, they are very far from each other. So these dots are close and these dots are not very close. So you decide it what to do, giving close dots or taking long distance. So it's depend on you. So I advise you give closer dots in the closer part of this object, and when we go through the outsider portion, take more and more distance. It will seem nice. So this pattern also you have to do your own idea. So I don't show you. I only show you some lines here. As you go through the outer side, draw big dots, and also the distance is more. In this way, here dots are very close, then some distance we keep, then again when we go through this line, the distance is much more big than the first dots, and the size also big. So you can use big and small dots here only in one pattern, in one picture. Understand? So we see afterwards, when we finish this picture, it will see like radiating pattern not like this, it is much better than this. So let's do it at your home. So continue again. Look at this picture now. This is different now. Here, this is what we will make now. Here, so we have a particular shape of a fruit. Fill the image with dots using watercolor and earbuds. So we have to use here watercolors and birds. So friends, we will do this activity in the next period. Till then, goodbye and good day. So friends, I show you the pattern. So watch this picture, friends. I use small dots and closer to each other. Then as the distance increase, the size of dots also increase and their distance also increase. So we feel these dots are radiating in pattern and in circular motion too. So randomly I draw it. I am not using here any instrument. So you also skip that. Draw the lines randomly like that and use small dots, and as we go far use big and distance also. So we can see the radiating circular pattern. So it looks nice also. You can use different colors, no problem. So do this activity, don't skip it, and very patiently do this time taking activity. When you complete this picture, you will feel a very nice happiness. Understand? So till then, now we